Good evening, welcome back. I'm going to jump straight into it. Tonight I need to install the keychain for HIVE because I do quite a lot on the HIVE blockchain. And I am going to start searching for the Chrome web store. And my keychain for HIVE. I'm going to add it, add extension, chain has been added, open it. If you happen to view my MetaMask installation guide and my Phantom Wallet installation guide, you should already be slightly familiar with how they work and the recovery phrases and everything that goes into activating it. I agree. And yeah, we shall put in a password that you use every time you log in. I'm going to put mine in. You have to repeat it. Go. Submit. And as you can see, you can add your keys by entering a private key or your master password. Before you can use your HIVE keychain, you will first have to have a HIVE wallet. And if you do not have a HIVE wallet yet, you can get one for free on Ecency.com. To get your free HIVE wallet through Ecency, you go to the sign up. Pick a username that you are comfortable using all over because it will be used to sign up onto every HIVE platform. And it will also be your wallet address. You enter your email. Then if you'd like to refer me as the user, you can just type in Veriman, confirm that you are not a robot, and then continue. Once you receive your email with your HIVE password, you go to the login, you put in your username, you paste the password, confirm you are not a robot, and you log in. And you now have your own HIVE blogging account through Ecency, where you can come create posts and share information or stories with others. And what you will need is that same password for your HIVE keychain. You go to settings, you click on permissions, and then you'll have to put in the same password that you used. It will always be a password that they assign for you, so don't, unless you really need a completely new one, you can click generate password. But other than that, that is the main one you will need, and then you will get a posting key and 2 other keys that are usable across platforms that you can do things on without using your master key. And with that same password, you can just go into your HIVE keychain, use password, your username that you have signed up through Ecency with, paste your key, and say submit. The posting keys, active key, and memo keys are the keys you use mostly over the Hive blockchain. And your main password or your main key, you must just save in a very secure place. I'm going to say save, and there is my Hive keychain. Once you've done setting up your Hive keychain, you will never have to copy and paste your password ever again, other than just log into the keychain with the password you typed up to log into it with. But any Hive blockchain platform that you go to, you can just say log in, go to login with keychain, put in your username, say log in, and it'll ask your keychain, and you've got to confirm. And there you go. Ecency.io. And let's just say and it'll ask your keychain. Your keychain makes it much simpler to use the Hive blockchain's various platforms. I hope this was helpful. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.